Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano is fired up, rejecting accusations that Wednesday night's shooting incident at the Senate was a diversionary tactic. Cayetano also revealed the shocking details behind Senator Bato de la Rosa's sudden departure from the compound. Cresilyn Catarong has the news.
The Senate is under attack, was under attack. All of you, your lives were in danger last night.
Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano could not hide his emotions as he faced the media, specifically addressing claims that the exchange of gunfire inside the Senate was scripted drama.
Nung nagko-focus kami dito, hinihintay namin articles of impeachment. Nakita nyo naman lahat ng pangyayari. Napakagaling ko naman mag-orchestrate ng lahat na yan. Kaya kong papuntahin dito mga armadong grupo.
Cayetano explained that the office of the Senate Sergeant at Arms discovered armed men had breached the building. The tension erupted after OIC Mau Aplaska questioned the men, one of whom reportedly shouted NBI. When the group refused to drop their weapons, Senate security fired 27 warning shots, while 5 shots were allegedly fired by the intruding group. Authorities are now investigating how the men reached the second floor, a high-security zone housing the session hall and the office of the Senate President.
Ang sabi sa akin ni Sec. John Vic, binabacktrace nila. They got a lot of IDs. Sa the guy na bumalik, pinabalik daw siya para kunin yung bag. Puno ng maraming IDs sa bag. So they got his fingerprints. They were bringing him to Pasay for inquest.
Meanwhile, the Senate President confirmed that Senator Bato de la Rosa has left the building, effectively ending his protective custody. Cayetano revealed he received a text message from de la Rosa's wife explaining that the senator chose to leave voluntarily to prevent further violence within the institution.
And good PM, sir, in behalf of my family, we would like to thank you and all the other senators for all the support you have done for my husband. At the same time, I'd also like to ask for forgiveness for all the confusion and havoc it has created in the Senate. It is for this reason I am sure that Ronald made his, in quotation mark, escape. He told me habang tumatagal kasi siya dyan sa loob ay mas nadadamay pa kayo. Alam naming hindi lulusubin ng NBI at CIDG and police o sino pang mga militar ang Senate kung wala siya sa loob. Kaya kahit na gaano siya ka-safe dyan, mas nangibabaw pa rin para sa kanya ang safety ng lahat. Nung umalis ako ng Senate 9 p.m. para umuwi kami sa bahay, last namin na pag-usapan, dyan muna siya mag-stay put. Dyan, yung stay put lang raw siya dyan sa loob kasi safer for him. Total may 72 hours TRO. Nagulat at natakot na lang kami for his safety nung narinig namin na sa labas na siya. Wala sa plano but knowing him, I am sure he took the opportunity nung nagkaguluhan at nagkaputukan na.
Cayetano stated there was nothing the Senate could do since De La Rosa's departure was voluntary. Consequently, he is no longer under Senate protective custody. According to an OSA spot report, De La Rosa was seen leaving the premises with Senator Robin Padilla at around 2:30 a.m. on Thursday. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Cresilyn Catarong, SMNI News.